subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming phone under M series called Galaxy M12. And before the launch, the renders of the phone has surfaced online by a popular leakster Evan Blast through his blogging platform called Voice. According to leak renders, the upcoming Galaxy M12 will feature a flat screen with a V-shaped notch at the top center for selfie camera. The screen is expected to measure around 6.5 inch in size. The rear panel of the phone appears to have a dual pattern design, and it carries a quad camera setup at the top left corner and a square module including LED flash below the camera setup. The volume rockers are visible on the right edge along with the fingerprint sensor equipped under the power button. The bottom of the phone will house 3.5mm headphone jack, speaker grill and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 163.9 by 75.9 by 8.9mm and it is expected to come equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy M12 has leaked so far, and it is expected to release by early next year. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy M12 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.